G'day Australia, I'm Korum E from the DIY-cademy. Installing a new dash cam. Have you ever spent 20 minutes trying to get this stupid little red thing off the double-sided tape for your mounting pad on a dash cam, or just anything in life really? These things are always a real struggle to get off. I'll show you the little trick that I like to use. I've done about 20,000 of these things, and the fast and easy way to get it off, because you can never ever get it from the corner, is to take your sharp Stanley knife, just do a light cut right through the middle, and then using the edge of the Stanley knife blade, you peel it up. The reason you want to do a bit of an angle cut so that you get a nice triangle shape on the red adhesive, on the red protective tape there, and then that nice pointy corner is really easy to pop up with the knife, and then you can peel that off and do a little lap, and now that is ready to stick. Make sure before you stick that down, you clean the surface with an alcohol-based cleaning product, like some sort of spray, so that it gets a really good bond. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.